Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new. And today we have the Spice It Up collection from ORLY. This is their fall/holiday collection from their breathable line. ORLY sent these to me as PR with no commitment to do anything, but this is a fall cream collection and I love the color palette. So of course I was gonna review it for you guys. So now one thing to note, this color looks very black in a lot of pictures and videos, but it is actually a green. I have very bright light here that shows you that it's a green. Of course, as you take it into different lighting, it's gonna look very dark. But it's super cool to me that it's like a blackened forest green of sorts, so I love that. All right, even though these are cream colors, some of them do build up a little bit crelly-ish, so I wanna show that to you guys. The formulas are fantastic and I didn't have any issues with the brushes. So you can see how you still see the nail underneath, so they do have some translucency, or I don't know if that's the word. Yeah, translucent, I think. But yeah, anyways, this one was no fake deal and it's like a burgundy red. It's fantastic. Now the next one is called Rooting for You, and this one's like a very mauvey kind of brown, I would say. This one also has the same Crelly kind of formula, very easy to work with. You guys are not gonna have any trouble with any of these. Spoiler alert, okay? I'm just showing you the colors at this point because all the formulas are great. Next up we have Yam It Up, and these, like all the colors in this collection, are like Skittle Land. They're amazing to create Skittles with, and they go very well together. I think they did a fantastic job with this collection. I'm spoiling all the things, but it's just so good. Alright, I want to show you guys the second coat in real time because I usually just do it off camera and show you, but I want you to see the coverage. It is very nice, and I do like the curly aspect of them. It makes them almost feel like gel, like it has this squishiness to it that I think is very attractive on a nail polish. And again, they self-level beautifully. They're just I don't know, just amazing. It kind of sucks that the breathable line is not part of their color pass. Like, okay, maybe you even want like a separate color pass just for breathable, because I feel like their colors for the breathable line are always amazing. Like, oops. Like some of their breathable lines have been some of my favorite ever. Like this fall collection's top notch, and the one that they did for spring, the breathable one, was amazing. So I'm like, maybe just give us like a breathable color pass, So here you have them at 2 coats. Perfect. Also, in case you're wondering what happened to me, I basically grated my finger because I'm such a delicate flower. When I'm in the kitchen, I either cut myself, burn myself, grate my fingers. So yeah, I was grating ginger for some recipe and it went too close and I just grated my finger. Which meant I had to throw away all the ginger that I was grating in that batch because of course I'm not gonna serve people grated finger. And so anyways, there it is. It's covered so you guys don't have to suffer through it. Alright, next up we have the yellow in the collection, which is called Caught Off Guard. I hope I'm saying that right, and if I'm not, you guys know the drill, correct me in the comments. Now, yellows are usually bad, but this one's not. They actually did a fantastic job with this color. Like a mustardy kind of, it's just so good. I don't know, whoever's doing their breathable line needs to be hired or given the task of doing the regular line. I don't feel like it's the same team. But then again, you guys know I'm a cream lover, so it's like, oh, I'm super biased. But okay, this one does feel very opaque, and I just skipped the name. The green ones look at the time, and this one doesn't feel curly, okay? This one does feel more opaque than all the others. And then the last one is Back for Some More. This one is so intriguing to me because it took me a moment to realize it was a green. And I've been telling everybody it's a green ever since. Like, people care as much as I do that this is not a black, it's a green. But it's just, you don't get these types of shades anymore. I don't know. You put it on and you cannot tell if it's a green, if it's a gray, is it a charcoal, what is it? And then when you hit it with light, it's like, oh my God, it's actually green. I love that. Okay, hold on, let me clean up. I think this is the brush that I have handy. It's not my choice for this, but it'll do. This is the e.l.f. concealer brush. It's kind of like old already, so I have to replace it. Like the bristles are all over the place, but does their job. So this one does feel curly like the rest, and seems like the Time one is the one that's the more opaque, okay, from this set. Now let's do second coat. I'm not waiting a lot in between because I just want to show you guys the build-up. I should have waited a little bit more, but still, the formulas are so good that it doesn't matter. So this yellow, it's looking amazing. Just 2 coats and no streakiness. And you guys know this is my ridgy finger, okay? So kind of unfair to put the yellow there, but I just didn't plan it. It's just the one that was next, you know? And it did great. This green is so good. Oh my God. All right, maybe this is too wet, but we'll see. Nope. Oh, this is fantastic, you guys. Like, I don't know how it's translated on camera, but it looks green on my end. Like, black enough and green enough, and I think that's just amazing. I love it. All right, after seeing them all, if I have to pick a favorite, it's very hard because everything here is something I will wear, and I'm not sure, but I think just based on the unique factor, this is a winner for me. We don't see these colors often enough, and I love them. So just based on that, formula-wise, they were all amazing. Colors, they're all colors I will wear, even the orange and the yellow, which sometimes you guys know that oranges are not that good for me. This one, I really, really like it. So I think ORLY did a fantastic job. I love the color palette, the formulas, everything. So thank you guys for coming to my review, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye!